Hello, everyone. It is Linda Sims of Let's Mess It Up Soul Line Dancing of New Orleans, Louisiana, and I am here to present the line dance, I Got It. The song is Don't Let It Go to Your Head. The artist is CLEO SOL, and the choreography is Chris Blues. If you are someone you know is interested in cardio line dancing classes in the New Orleans area, please call 504 251 0674. As a friendly reminder, if you're interested in the step-by-step instructions, I'll post it at the end of this video. Also, check out the instructional from Chris Blues. And here we go. There you go. I got it. My name is Linda Sims. I am the Who Dat teacher from New Orleans, Louisiana. I thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.